Hi, I'm Maggie from Corkwood Knitting and Crafts, and this is a short video today to show you how you can build your own peg loom using basic tools and materials. If you're into recycling and crafts, this is something for you to try. Here's one of the looms that we've been making ourselves, and as you can see, they're a really simple construction. So for the base wood, any wood will do that has enough weight, and for the pegs, if you don't have anything like this at home, then they're readily available at most DIY outlets. So here is what we're going to need to make our loom. We need the wood of the required length. You don't have to be too particular about the dimensions at this point. You need a hacksaw, a hand drill, some drill bits, some wooden dowel and a template for the holes. Here I'm using a template to mark the holes. I'm creating 2 lines of holes, each with a different spacing to allow for a thinner or a thicker weave. I'm marking my 9.5mm drill bit to the required depth of the hole. This is to stop you drilling all the way through. The drill bit should be just a fraction larger than the dowel would. I'm now wrapping some masking tape around the drill bit so it will be a bit easier to see where to stop. It does make drilling a lot easier if I secure the base to the table. Now I'm going to start drilling the holes to the depth of the masking tape. When you've drilled all the marked holes, you'll have something that looks like this. A quick sand will get rid of any rough points. Here is the finished base. Now for the pegs. Mark the required length and then cut with a hacksaw. Mark where the holes should be. With a 4mm drill bit, drill each peg at the mark. Now sand off the pegs to get rid of the rough bits and to round off the corners. This is a peg ready for action. Here is my finished loom. You can use a peg to make a threading tool by making a hole in the top and then gluing in a folded piece of wire. So if you're in need of any extra information, we've just finished a downloadable e-booklet which describes the building process, how to weave with the loom. It also comes with a printable hole spacing template. So we'll add a link to that in the video description. So if you've managed to finish your loom, well done, and I really hope you enjoy weaving with it. So that's it for today, and see you the next time. Bye!